Gold and silver both have seen a good drop yesterday. Gold breached below 2000 and went till towards 1985 level, the first support level. At the same time, silver too has breached below 2380 and now is struggling to go past 2380 levels. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start first and look into gold. Also, you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly. Now see on the hourly charts, gold has seen a good drop here. It is trying to retrace a little. It is trading with a very marginal bullishness. It is not yet bullish. And yes, if you see it trading above 1995 levels, you can buy. However, now 2000 levels are going to be a very good resistance. 2000, 2005 levels you should watch out for if it continues to retrace on the upside. And hence 1995 is a safe entry for you to stay long. Now see stochastic on the hourly charts with a little retracement itself, it has come to overbought zone. However, look at MACD. Now MACD has seen a bottom and willing to cross over for a buy entry. You can see this almost at bottom here, but it is still struggling hard to cross over and go into a buy zone, and that is why 1995 should be a good entry, beyond which 2000 2005 levels should be seen. If it breaks below that, beyond that, certainly more bullishness can appear. RSI has come out of the oversold zone, and if you look at 2 hour, now look at 2 hour charts here, see the lows here, rise, retracement, rise, trying to trade in this bullish channel on the upside. 1995 is something I will wait for it to break past by. Certainly more bullish momentum can appear, and then I will look forward to 2005 levels, possibly that is going to be a greater resistance. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, MACD trying to converge. It is at -6 levels. It has seen a good drop here, you can see this. Now this is the second wave here, you can say, and right now it is trading in the bearish mode. Stochastic come out of the oversold zone, and on the 3 hour charts, now on the 3 hour charts you can see the moving averages are trading with divergence and are situated a little far away, and we have always seen that it tries to converge still towards moving average. So there is one point that moving average starts to come down, second point is gold starts to move up, and this means that there is a possibility that 2000 2005 levels can be expected. Now if you look at stochastic there on the 3 hour charts is oversold. MACD is also extremely bearish. This is the second wave here. Possibility of it to converge from here exists. RSI is also trading near to bottom or near to oversold zone. Now on the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, and possibly the next candle when it starts, and if it trades above 1995, you can expect little more bullishness for 1998 2000 levels, 2005 levels. So 2000 2005 certainly is going to be a very good resistance. Remember, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, hence a little pullback cannot be denied. And remember, the moving averages are trading little far away at 2010 levels, and hence a little retracement cannot be denied here. Now see, be it this case, when it diverged on the bullish side from the moving averages, it is always seen a convergence, you can see this, and now it is trading from with the divergence from the moving average. Possibility of a convergence exists here too, and hence we should be watchful of this. Stochastic oversold, MACD is still divergent and bearish, RSI is still oversold here. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, gold has taken a support from the 50 period moving average, and now the 20 period moving average is situated at around 2015 levels. Now one point to consider here is, after this drop it is still trying to retrace, and see the complete movement is engulfed between these two candles. It has not yet breached 1980 1975 levels. So rise, retracement, and if it breaks past 2020, it is going to stay bullish again. Remember this fact. Only bearish possibility if gold stays below 1980, then further bearishness can be expected. Till the time it stays above 1980, rather 1970 also, possibility of a strong bounce back always will exist. Stochastic also at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is also looking downward. So now first of all, the sell entry today in gold can be taken at 1988. However, 1985, 80, very strong support, then 1974 and 70. These four levels it needs to breach past by. Once it stays below 1970, stay short and you are going to get it 1955, 50 levels, the next support zone, and hence you should take your trades accordingly. On the upside, there is a possibility of a retracement, a strong possibility of a retracement, where above 1995 you can buy, and once it trades above 1995 you can expect 2000, 2005, in fact 2008 levels can be seen. 2008 to 12, very strong resistance zone. Beyond that, little more bullishness can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Look at the early charts for silver. See, forming the bottom at 2365. 2365 certainly given it a very good support. We have seen it yesterday consolidating at those levels. Then retracement. Remember, lower highs. Then the drop, again trying to rise. Hence 2385 you can buy. Beyond 2385. Now see, this is also on the early chart, the 20 period moving average, and then it can try to stretch till towards 23.98, $24 levels. Now only bullishness in silver is, or reversal confirmation is about 24.10, 24.20 levels. Stochastic looking up, MACD crossing over for a buy here, and it is trading with little divergence. RSI flat, and on the 2-hour charts, now see on the 2-hour charts, divergent from the 20 period, convergence, divergence from the 20 period, convergence. Now 20 period moving average here situated at 23.90, very good resistance level, and then 24.5, 24.10 levels, very good resistance. You can see this multiple candles getting the resistance at these levels, and hence this is the zone which I will look forward for silver to break out past by any point of time. 24.20, if it breaks, it is going to reverse strongly for 24.50. Stochastic looking up, MACD has crossed over, trading with very little divergence here, neither bullish nor bearish. RSI is trying to look upwards, trying to give a positive slope here. And on the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see, first of all, this is the bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. It has to break past this in order to reverse. Right now, if you look at the 3-hour charts here, you will find, see, lower highs, higher lows. Wait for it to break past 23.85, then you can expect 23.95, $24 as the first resistance, 24.10 as the next, and then 24.20. This zone at 24.20 is going to be a very important zone for silver. If it breaks past this, it is going to fly high. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading with very little divergence. It is still green, remember this fact. And see, this is crossed over after a long bearish streak. It can start to diverge from here. It can start to continue moving upwards from here. RSI oversold and trying to come out of the oversold zone. On the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts here. See, on the 4-hour charts, retracement, drop, retracement, and again trying to drop. Now see, here higher lows, higher highs, and hence 23.85 is the level beyond which we can expect that silver might try to retrace for $24 levels, and beyond that, if it stays about 24.10, nothing like that, it should be considered for a good rise, and beyond 24.20 certainly more bullishness. So yes, you can stay long about 23.85, that is clear here. Stochastic is near to bottom. MACD has also started to diverge, trading with little bullishness. RSI is still oversold on the 4-hour charts. Now look at my apprehension on the daily chart. See, one bearish candle, and look, this candle, the candle size is very small compared to what we had seen the last trading session last week. And see, since then also it has taken the support from the 100 period moving average here at 23.65. So a possible sell entry below 23.65 can be taken. However, a retracement is expected where you can expect 24.05 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, candle size is flattened. RSI is also trading at bottom. So for the day, do not trade between 23.65, 23.85 levels. Below 23.65, 23.50. 23.20 levels also cannot be denied. These levels, once it trades below 23.50, more bearish stress is going to prevail in silver, taking it for 23.20, $23 levels. On the upside, you can buy at 23.85. However, 24 is something, 24, 24.10, 24.20. This complete zone, this complete range is going to remain important for silver only and only if it trades above this zone. Then you can expect that it has reversed and then bullishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.